Welcome back, everybody. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. Okay, guys, just wanted to do a little market recap for today. Let's start off by looking at the crypto bubbles. We'll look at the top 100. Let's see what's had more gains today. As we see here, everything's in the green. Only very few are in the red. Caspa, surprisingly, is minus 2.4% for the day. We got AKT minus 3.8% for the day. MKR minus 3.4% for the day. But everything else in the green in the top 100, guys. What stands out to me is WIF 18.1% green for the day. We got NOT at 11.7% gains for the day. We got Bonk 7.7% gains for the day, one of the channel's favorites. We got Pyth, PYTH 7.6%. Solana, another of the channel's favorites, 9.1% gains for the day. And let me see, we got Render and Flare, they're all up in the green. Oh, AOS too, can't forget about AIOZ, 9.4% green for the day. Alright, guys. Well, I just wanted to go over the market and see how Bitcoin was doing. Let's go see the Bitcoin chart real quick. Looks like it's at 57,193. That's pretty good, guys. We bounced back from 49,000 in one day. It's already gone up $8,000 just in 24 hours. Look at this chart. Looks very bullish for one day. Nothing but higher lows. Higher lows, and prices are going higher and higher, guys, so that's great. Let's see how high we go. Let's look at the Ethereum chart. 25, 21, and 10 cents. Also very bullish. Look at that, guys. Higher lows, higher highs. That's what we want to see in charts. So that's great. Now, if you would have bought Ethereum when I told you guys around 2,300, you'd be up about 10%. And if you would have bought it in the lows at 2,000, you'd be up 25%. So that's pretty good too. Let's look at AVAX, another of the channel's favorite. Okay. Looks like my Wi-Fi's slow, so just waiting on it. 21.53. So still pretty good. Still bullish chart too. Nothing but higher lows and lower highs. So that's great. No, I meant to say higher lows and higher highs. Yeah. So yeah, everything's bullish. Let's look at Jasmine. And let's see. Just waiting for the chart to load. We got it at 21.88. So also very, very bullish. Look at that, guys. More higher highs and more higher lows. That's what we want to see. Now, if you would have bought Jasmine too, when I told you guys when it was at about 1,700, you'd definitely be up like about 20% right now. And you would have bought the dip, the low dip, the local low, it was at 1,500, you'd be up like 30%. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with Jasmine there too. Let's look at another channel favorite, XCN. Let's see. I believe it's about like 12.30. Yep, 12.30. It's kind of like a little stable coin. Once it stabilizes, it kind of stays at the same price. But it's still a very good pick. I mean, it might be a stable coin right now, guys, but I have a really good feeling about XCN. I think it could at least 100x from this price. Maybe even more. A lot of analysts are saying it could at least reach the all-time high, maybe even up to 50 cents. So if you were to spend $1,200 right now on this coin, you would at least make $200,000 if you sold at 20 cents. So this is definitely a good pickup, guys, if you're wondering what to buy right now while the prices are low. And let's look at Solana, another of the channel's favorites. Oh, that's not the chart. Now, you can't go wrong with Solana. I think it's like one of the biggest gainers for for like the whole day since the big dip. I believe the low was $110. And look at that, it's $153 right now. So I mean, for being a big cap, that's pretty good. It's about like like a 40% gain. Look at this chart, guys. Super bullish chart. Look at that. That's what we want to see on all our cryptos. But Solana is definitely one of the strongest one. You know, if you guys want to make quick trades, if you ever see Solana dip pretty hard, definitely want to buy it up for short-term trade. It always bounces back hard. It's been doing that like the whole last 2 years since I've been watching it. So definitely a good coin, and it's got a lot of liquidity. I mean, people love it. People love actually using the Solana chain. I don't think Solana is going anywhere, guys. Um, it's got games on it. It's a gaming chain. It's got mobile phones. It's definitely going to be one of the winners, I think, once the crypto market gets weeded out. All the weak crypto coins go to zero. Solana is going to be one of the ones that stays. So I mean, we're probably still early. I know Solana has mooned a lot since it was 50 cents, but that was about 4 years ago. But I mean, it could probably reach the price of Ethereum here. You know, either this bull cycle, no, not this bull cycle, but the next bull cycle. I think it could reach about $4,000. This bull cycle, I think it could be anywhere between $500 to $1,000. So you still got a good 5 to 10x on this coin if you love Solana and want to invest in it. And oh, and by the way, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and only invest money you are willing to lose. Okay, let's go to CoinMarketCap and see what the top 20 crypto are doing, guys. Like I said, Bitcoin already bounced back to 57,000, guys. Isn't that great? I mean, it was at 49,000 just 24 hours ago. So that's awesome. I already talked about Ethereum. BNB 496 is going up slowly but surely. Solana we talked about. XRP, even that's up 1.14%. I mean, I did like it better when it was at 70 cents, but I mean, 51 cents is a great steal. If you're a believer in XRP and you do believe it's going to moon this cycle, like a lot of analysts are saying, like I've said before in my other videos, but a lot of analysts are saying that it's going to repeat the 2017 run that it had. XRP and its little brother XLM, it's going to repeat like at least 600x, what they're saying. But me, you know, just being realistically, I think XRP could at least get to like $10. Bullish scenario is about $20. So I mean, that's like a good 20 to 40x. So definitely good investment there. Dogecoin 99 cents. If you would have bought yesterday when I told you guys to buy when it was at 8 cents, you'd be up like at least 10 to 15%. And if you would have bought the dip, you'd be up like almost 20%. Because the bottom was 0.82, and I told everybody to buy at 0.86. So I mean, either way, you'd be up right now. Cardano, 33 cents. You know, it's a good coin, but not one of my favorites. But I love all crypto, guys. But it's just that Cardano, I think it already mooned last cycle, so I don't think it's gonna run hard this cycle. It's not. I mean, it's popular, but like, I don't see it having a lot of liquidity, and I just don't see it being one of the winners, guys. But you never know. I could be wrong. Avalanche, I think that's going to be one of the winners, guys, for this bull cycle. It only ran up like 40x last cycle from the low of 279, and it went up to 140. But I think it's due for 100x. So I mean, bullish case scenario, the bottom of the cycle was like 865, right around there, 870. I think it could 100x bullish case scenario go up to $800. But the bearish scenario, guys, it could at least go to $300. So somewhere between $300 and $800 is what I believe is going to be the top for Avalanche. So in my exit plan, I plan to be scaling out starting at $300, but not before then. Okay. And we got Shiba Inu, very popular meme coin. It had an amazing run last bull run. That's why I don't think it's going to run that hard this bull run. Right now it's a 4 zeros, 1371. But I mean, there is a SHIB army out there. You never know. Hopefully it gets to 1 penny. I would love for it to get to 1 penny, but I just don't think it'll get to 1 penny. I mean, in order for it to get to 1 penny, the market cap would have to be like $5 trillion. And I mean, Bitcoin's not even $5 trillion. So I don't think I'll get to 1 penny this bull cycle, but I think it could definitely 10 to 20x this bull cycle. Polkadot, like I've said before, a lot of people are bullish on Polkadot. They're saying this is its cycle. So I mean, it's pretty low. I mean, it's all-time low from 2020 to like 270 something, like 270. So definitely, I mean, it's a bargain, guys. If you believe in Polkadot, I mean, this is steal. I mean, I think it could definitely go somewhere up to $100. So I mean, it could definitely at least 20x from this price. It did get up to $50 last cycle. So I mean, I think it could at least hit 50, but bullish case scenario, $100. Bitcoin Cash, I don't know. I like Bitcoin better. Chainlink, I mean, who doesn't like Chainlink? I mean, it's the first bridge, crossover chain coin. It's pretty low. The market low this bear cycle was like $5 and change. So I mean, it's only 100% above its cycle low. So it's a pretty good buy too. But like I've said before, if you're interested in a similar coin like Chainlink, check into Axelar, AXL. I think it's only like 50 something cents right now. Here, let's look it up real quick. And that one will definitely get you guys some better returns than Link, I believe, this bull cycle. Let's see, yeah, Axelar. Yeah, it's at 52 cents. And I believe it could at least get to like anywhere between like 30 to like $50. So I mean, it has the potential of doing 100x, guys. But for sure, like somewhere between 50 to 100x. Coinbase Venture backs it. Binance Labs is an investor in it, and a lot of other big dogs. Like I've said before, the total supply is 1,161,000,000, and it's already over 50% on the circulating supply. It's 743 million. So I mean, that's good tokenomics if you ask me. So definitely, I would invest in Axelar, and maybe you guys should too. And look at this daily chart. It's very, very bullish, guys. Just like all the other charts for crypto today, everything's bullish for the most part. There are a few coins that are down, but 90% of the cryptos are up. All right, let's keep going up at the top 20. Let's see where we're at here, guys. Okay, we covered Chainlink. Litecoin. I mean, Litecoin likes to be around $50. It had its run last cycle, but I don't know. A lot of people still like Litecoin. I mean, I think its top was about $400. I think best case scenario could get to like $800 to $1,000. So I mean, you might be able to 15 to 20 extra coin here if you really like Litecoin. And we got Near Protocol. I think this one might be a good one though. People are really bullish on Near since it's got an AI stigma on it. And look at this low price of 382. I could definitely 10 to 20x this bull run cycle, guys. Matic, I'm not too bullish on Matic because it already had its run last cycle. It had a big run last cycle. Got up to like $3. But maybe this cycle it could reach its all-time high of 3 something. But bullish case scenario would be about $6. So you might be able to 10 to 20x on Polygon. Caspa, people are very bullish on Caspa, but I think it already had a big run already. It ran through the bear cycle. So I mean, a lot of times when they have big runs during the early bear cycle, they don't really run once the parabolic bull run starts. Like that happened to Chainlink last cycle. It really ran hard before the parabolic bull run, but then the parabolic bull run it didn't run, but it did run hard before that. You just never know, guys. But I do think Casper could get to at least $1. But there are other people that are bullish on it. So it could get to like $3 to $5. But for sure, I think you get around $1, guys. So there you go. You could at least like 7x your money with Caspa. And we got Internet Computer. People like Internet Computer. This might be a good one, guys. Just I can't invest in them all. I'm not invested in it right now. But if I had extra money, I would. I'm already invested into Jasmine, which is very similar. I mean, it's not similar in the computer. When I say it's similar, it's because all the here I'll click on this so you guys can see. The tokenomics are really good on Internet Computer. See, the circulating supply is 468 million, and the total supply is 521 million. So basically, most of the coins are already circulating. So there's no sell pressure on it. So that's why I think it is gonna have a good run on it. But I prefer to invest into Jasmy than ICP. But if you're bullish on ICP, it's definitely good tokenomics in there, and it does have a chance to make a really good run. The only thing I don't like about it is that it is inflationary because it doesn't have a max supply, so they could always up the supply. But like I said, right now the tokenomics are looking good, and if you're bullish on the ICP, definitely a steal. I believe the cycle low for this cycle was like $2. I mean $3 or something. Let's see what it says here. All-time low. Oh, no data, but I do remember it was like $3 something for this all-time low for this cycle, guys. And like I said, a lot of people are bullish on it. Then we got Uniswap. You can't go wrong with the ETH betas. I mean, with the ETTF, I think the ETH and ETH betas are about to run, just like Bitcoin did after like 2 to 3 weeks after the ETF came out. It dumped hard, but then it went up hard. So I believe about the same thing's going to happen here soon. The ETH and all its beta. ETH betas are like Uniswap. You got Optimism. You got Matic. You got XCN, Jasmy, Miria. There's a bunch of them out there, guys. So I mean, those are definitely good trades to do right now. We got Pepe. Pepe, you can't go wrong with Pepe. It's very popular, guys. It's a steal right now since it's had a big discount. It'll probably, do a good 10x from its price right now. Right now it's at 5 zeros 8229. So it could probably do like a good 10x at least. But I mean, if you caught Pepe when it was like a 7-8 zeros, I mean, you're doing good. And ETC, I don't think it'll run too hard, but it's a good trade coin. I think it's a trader's coin. It fluctuates hard, always goes up hard and then goes down hard. But I don't think it'll like run like parabolic in this bull run. I mean, it could though. You never know. And then we got Stellar, XLM, XRP's little brother. I'm bullish on Stellar too. I mean, the utility is great on it, but I mean, what is that? Who cares about that if the price doesn't go up? It's like a stable coin. But I mean, I do own Stellar, so I do like Stellar. I am bullish on XLM. I just bought it because I like the utility, and I do believe that one day it is going to run. I mean, I don't think it's a good trading coin, but I mean, a lot of analysts, and I've been looking at the charts too. I think it'll have a good run this time around, since last time it didn't break its all-time high. Here, let's pull it up so we could take a look at XLM real quick. Alright, let me go to Trading View. And let me pull up Stellar XLM. I mean, you can't go wrong with XLM. Cross-border payments. It's got a lot of partnerships. And I don't know, I just have a gut feeling that it's going to do really good. I mean, it's really, it's been in Congress. Diane Dixon, the CEO, has been in Congress and talking to like senators about the coins. I mean, it's really pushing, they're really pushing XLM. So like, I mean, I think one day it's going to run. It's just going to be out of the blue. You're not going to have any idea. It's just going to happen, guys. That's usually how this stuff happens. Let me look for, I like the Coinbase chart, but I don't see it here. Let me put it here, XLM USD. See if that helps. No Coinbase chart. No, why did USD come out? Okay, let's just use whatever's up here, guys. Let me just look one more time, see if I can find the Coinbase. Oh, here it is. Okay, it's pulling up, guys. Just hang tight. Let's go look at the historical data on XLM here. Here, let's look at the 5 years. Oh, no, let's look at all of it actually, because 2017 is more than 5 years. Okay, see, here's 2017. See, look at this run it had, guys, here. 2017, the price was about like 0014. before it started running up. I mean, it was low. It was as low as let's see here. The price before it started running up was right around 0.008, and let me see. In right before the parabolic bull run, let's just say right around October 2017, October 1st, 2017, the price was roughly about like 0.18, and then it ran all the way up to 93 cents, guys, on January 2019. So from October 1st to January of 2018, so that's about November, December, January, 3 months, it ran really hard, guys. See? So January 1st, 2018, the price was 93 cents. So in 3 months, it ran hard. So try to use this as an example, guys, that if you see XLM running really hard, I mean, it's only going to run, I mean, they only run for like 3 months tops hard, and then they go down, 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 and stay as a stable coin for a long time. See, let's see, in 2020, it started running in, again, October 1st, 2020, and it ran hard all the way up to May 2021. So that's a little bit more. It ran 7 months that time. So anywhere between 3 to 7 months is what it runs, and then it just keeps going down forever and stays at a low price for a long time, guys. So definitely, after 3 months, if you see XLM running hard, you might want to start selling, because I've noticed that every coin has a personality, and that's the personality of XLM. It runs hard, and then it goes down hard, and then it stays like a stable coin for a long time at a low price. But when it runs hard, guys. Just look at the historical data here for it. So yeah, I mean, it had 100x in 2017, from 1 penny to 93 cents, 93x. So I mean, that's what they're saying XRP and XLM is about to do right now. So I mean, October 1st. So I mean, October 1st seems to be a day when they start running. So I mean, I don't know. History seems to repeat itself, guys. So if you guys like XLM, October 1st, you probably want to get into it before October 1st, and you might want to start getting out of it sometime in January 2025, all the way up to May. But again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, and only invest the money you're willing to lose. And you never know, guys. They might switch it up. You know how the market makers are. But I mean, a lot of times history just keeps repeating itself over and over and over. So definitely keep an eye out for that, guys. That's what I'm planning to do, at least. I do have XLM, and I do plan to get out after I see it run after 3 months. I'm going to start scaling out. And then after 7 months, if it's still running, I'm getting out for sure. Probably at 6 months, I'm getting out completely out. But I'm getting like at least half of my coins out after 3 months. And then, from there, I'll just see what the market looks like. But after 6 months, I'm all out on XLM, because I already know it goes up hard and it crashes hard. And then you gotta wait a long time for it to go up again, and we don't like that. We don't like stable coins. I mean, I like USDC and Tether, but we don't like cryptocurrency coins to be stable coins, just stay at the same price, or just go sideways for a long time. Okay, let's go back to let me go over Solana, guys. Just want to show you Solana, how bullish it is, guys. I mean, can't go wrong with Solana, guys. Although, things are probably it might start going down a little bit right now. It's 154. It might start ranging back down to 130, and then keep going up again. Or it might just go sideways, between like 120 to 150 for a while. This week will probably be calm. Probably just go up and down between 120 160. But eventually it is going to run. I believe that this August is probably just going to be more sideways action. And either September or October is when the bull run is going to start running. If the parabolic bull run is to start by October, it'll definitely be a lot higher in October, or at least start to go up higher in October. So just keep an eye out with that. Just get as much cash. Please just get as much cash as you can right now, and invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you'll be thankful in 12 months to a year, unless it's the XLM or XRP. Remember, those run hard for only like 3 to 7 months, and then they crash hard, guys. So just remember that, guys. Alright, let's go the crypto bubbles real quick. And I just want to go to the 101 to 200, see what it looks like, in case you guys are invested in that. We got Popcat. A lot of people like Popcat. It's up 24.8. MEW, MEW, 19.5%. So I mean, Turbo is only 4.1, but I mean, it's it's stealthy. It does that, it kind of just, it consolidates for a long time, but then it just, starts bull running again. So I'm bullish on Turbo, so definitely keep an eye on that. It's bound to take off again pretty soon. And we got Book of Meme, 9.1% up for the day. Everything's green, guys. I mean, just a few coins that are red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about 8 coins. Let's just say about 10% only of the 101 to 200 coins are in red. Everything else is up. So about 90% of crypto is in the green for the day, guys, and about 10% is in the red. Well, guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the cryptocurrency market. Again, we got Bitcoin at 57,000, guys, so that's very bullish. Don't get bearish on me now. Definitely don't get shaken out by the market maker, because that's what they want. Historically speaking, we are headed to a parabolic bull run, maybe sometime in October from what it looks like. So stay strong, stay faithful, do a lot of research, and only invest what you're willing to lose. So I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. This is Top Crypto Bull signing off.